Bike check, Daniel. Okay, okay. ODI grips. Yes, Daniel. Fit bars. Yes, Daniel. Another ODI bar, and that's blue. It's freaking gay. Fit stem.
The Fit BF.
Fit BF stem. Fit Shiv 2 forks.
That's simple.
Ezra front wheel from Vane. Fit FAF tire. Where else? Animal seat post. Federal seat. Cushy seat. Tree light?
Yeah, tree light spline drive.
Tree light spline drive with Madeira protocols or whatever. Protocol. Animal Hamilton PCs. Fit FAF back tire. Ezra's
Ezra Opus back wheel.
Ezra Opus back wheel.
KMC 710 chain.
Yes, KMC chain. Fit BF stem. Frame. Fit. What's seat post? Just stock seat post?
No, animal seat post.
Oh, snap. Animal seat post. No, seat clamp. Animal seat clamp. No. Stock seat clamp. And
My name's Daniel.
what's Daniel? That's it.
Oh, wait.
It's dialed. There's nothing to it. It's dialed. My bike is the coolest.
Okay, stop it.
No doubt.